Hello everyone, good evening. Welcome you all to Metamorphosis. So today I am going to explain you some basic overview of Kaizen. Okay, so what is Kaizen? So before going to the picture, I am going to explain you some reason behind Kaizen, where this concept come from. Okay, and then who is the father of the Kaizens, why Kaizen is necessary, who can implement Kaizens. Okay, so first of all, what is Kaizen? Kaizen is all about change for better, or you can say continuous improvements. Okay, so now I'm going to explain you some history behind Kaizen. Okay, after Second World War, when Toyota first implement quality circle in its production process, this was influenced by American business management and teachers who visited the country. This concept became very popular in Japan in 1950. The term Kaizen actually became famous around the world through the works of Masaka Imai, is a Japanese organized consultant. Okay, so now I move to the what is Kaizens and why Kaizen is necessary, or who can implement Kaizens. So first of all, everyone, every day and everywhere can implement Kaizens. Okay, Masaka Ema is the father of the Kaizens. Why Kaizen is necessary? So there are lots of NBA in your process. Okay, so by first of all we have to identify our NBA in your process, and then by implement Kaizens we can reduce all NBA. Okay, apart from this there are other activity like multiple entry, proper arrangements, safety concerns. Okay, so first of all you have to identify your problems, and then by implement Kaizens you can reduce your concerns, your problematic area. Okay, so now I move to the this picture. What picture indicate is the Kaizen process. First of all you have to identify the problems, analyze the problems. Okay, and then develop the solutions, implement solutions, analyze the result, and standardize. Once again, I repeat. First of all, you have to identify your problems. Write this problem on your problem bank. Then analyze what is the gap in between. Then develop the solutions, implement it, analyze it, and then standardize. Okay. So now I move to the levers of Kaizen. So few levers like productivity, quality, cost, delivery, safety, and moral. These are the lever of Kaizen. So what is productivity? What productivity means? It's all about output upon inputs. So in productivity, we have to focus on manpower productivity, tools productivity. Okay. In quality, we have to focus on reach zero customer complaint. This can be done by eliminating rejections, rework, by avoiding mistakes. Cost. In cost, we have to focus on reduce the overall operational cost, inventory cost, by minimizing the wastage. In the delivery, we have to ensure 100% goods on time to the customer. It can be achieved by minimizing the delay in logistic losses. Okay. Safety, we have to focus on UAUC to create a zero accident free zone by ensuring safety while working on machine. And last one is moral, to boost up the employee of the organizations by making them participate in contributing number of Kaizens, 1 point lessons. Okay, so now I move to the benefit of the Kaizens. What are the benefits? Suppose if you implement Kaizens, what are the benefit are? So first of all, your productivity increase by implement Kaizens. Okay, customer complaint get resolved, on time delivery of the service increases, your CSI score will increase. Okay, roles and responsibility of the employee will increase. Okay, then Kaizen reduce wastage like inventory, time waste, workers motions. Kaizen improve space utilizations, higher employee models, as I say. Okay, so request to all of you, please watch for more updates. Okay, thank you so much. That's all from my side.